तो चलिए अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 90 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर। 1, 2, 3, स्टार्ट। Over the past several years, India has been the victim of large-scale terrorism sponsored from across the borders. Stop. There have been innumerable incidents of terrorist attacks not only in militancy and insurgency affected areas and areas affected by left-wing extremism, but also in the form of terrorist attacks and bomb blasts etc. in various parts of the hinterland and major cities etc. Stop. A large number of such incidents are found to have complex interstate and international linkages and possible connection with other activities like smuggling of arms and drugs, pushing in and circulation of fake Indian currency, infiltration from across the borders, etc. Stop. Keeping all these in view, it was felt that there was a need for setting up of an agency at the central level for investigation of offences related to terrorism and certain other acts which have national ramifications. Stop. Several experts, including the Administrative Reforms Commission, had made recommendations for establishing such an agency in its report. Stop. After due consideration and examination of the issues involved, government proposed to enact a legislation to make provisions for establishment of a national investigation agency in a concurrent jurisdiction with provisions for taking up specific cases under specific acts for investigation. Stop. Accordingly, the National Investigation Agency Act was enacted on 31/12/2008 and the National Investigation Agency (NIA) was born. Stop. At present, NIA is functioning as the National Counter-Terrorism Law Enforcement Agency in India. Stop. NIA has registered and investigated 315 cases till 5/2020. Stop. After submission of charge sheets, 60 cases have been finally or partially decided in trial. Stop. Of these, 54 cases have ended in conviction, giving NIA an inevitable conviction percentage of 90%. Stop. National Investigation Agency aims to be a thoroughly professional investigative agency matching the best international standards. Stop. NIA aims to set the standards of excellence in counter-terrorism and other national security related investigations at the national level by developing only a highly trained and partnership-oriented workforce. Stop. NIA aims at creating deterrence for existing and potential terrorist groups or individuals. Stop. It aims to develop as a storehouse of all terrorist-related information. Stop. It ensures professional investigation of scheduled offences using the latest scientific methods of investigation and setting up such standards so as to ensure that all cases entrusted to the NIA are detected. Stop. It also ensures effective and speedy trial. Stop. NIA is developing into a thoroughly professional, result-oriented organization upholding the Constitution of India and laws of the land, giving prime importance to the protection of human rights and dignity of the individual. Stop. It displays scientific temper and progressive spirit while discharging the duties assigned. Stop. Modern methods and latest technology have been inducted in every sphere of activities of the agency. Stop. It maintains professional and cordial relations with the governments of states and union territories and other law enforcement agencies in compliance of the legal provisions of the NIA Act. Stop. It assists all states and other investigating agencies in investigation of terrorist cases. Stop. Study and analysis of laws relating to terrorism in other countries is done, and it regularly evaluates the adequacy of existing laws in India and proposes changes as and when necessary. Stop. Its main aim is to win the confidence of the citizens of India through selfless and fearless endeavors. Stop. National Investigation Agency was created by an act of the Parliament of India, that is NIA Act 2008, in December 2008 following the traumatic Mumbai Terror Act on 26 November 2008 for investigation and prosecution of offences affecting sovereignty, security and integrity of India. Stop. During this short period of existence, employees of NIA have been faced with the dual challenge of building a new institution and simultaneously investigating complex cases of terrorism, insurgency, terror funding, etc. Stop. NIA has been a silent and it is almost invisible contributor to the quieting of the terror in India. Stop. NIA has done some remarkable investigations in the northeastern states and has contributed in a significant manner to ushering of peace in region. Stop. It has also helped in unearthing larger conspiracy behind the terrorist attack in Mumbai and is working in concert with other law enforcement and security agencies to bring the offenders to justice. Stop. When the NIA came into existence, it was based at Delhi, but now it has branches at Hyderabad, Guwahati, Mumbai, Kochi, Lucknow, Kolkata, Raipur and Jammu. Stop. There is a separate specialized cell known as TFFC cell dealing with the subjects of fake Indian currency notes and terror funding. Stop. It may be the youngest law enforcement organization in the country but has made a noticeable contributor to maintenance of security and order in India, and its team is able to build NIA into an organization which nurtures and values excellence. Stop. Mostly deputation is done to depute employees into NIA, but direct recruitment of the stenographers is done through SSC steno exam. Stop.